Hello students. So let's start our construction. So the first part in our construction would be your division of a line segment. एक लाइन सेगमेंट को हम लोग किसी पर्टिकुलर रेशियो में बोला जाएगा, उसमें हम लोग कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे. So let's take a question that is divide a line segment of length 8 centimeter internally. द वर्ड इज इंटरनली. इंटरनली हम लोग ऐसे डिवाइड करेंगे 8 सेंटीमीटर लाइन सेगमेंट को सच दैट इट विल मेक अ रेशियो 3:2. So it is very easy. Let's start with first we'll make a line segment of 8 centimeter. Let's say 0 and 8. So I will be joining a line till here. So it becomes my 8 centimeter, a line segment. Let's say I am giving it a name A and B. Now what I will do, I will make an acute angle taking this one as a base. Now acute angle means any angle which is less than 90. So either you can use a protractor, either you can use your compass, or directly also I can make any acute angle from a point A. Let's say this I have made as an acute angle, and this kind of line segment I have drawn from here. Okay. Now what I will do, or you can make it a ray also, as now as the ratio is being given as 3:2. Okay, 3:2. That means if I take the sum of this two, so that would be 3 plus 2 is your 5. So we will make 5 parts out of this ray. इस रे में हम लोग 5 पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे. So you can take your compass of any arc measurement, okay, and do not shift or do not change the arc now. You take this arc, or you can change it like this way, any one fixed measurement. You take the arc length and then you make 5 points here, 5 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's say this one as 5. So I will mark it as, let's say A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Okay. Now what is the next step we have to do? We have to join this A5. Since it is 3:2, so A5, the last one, will be joined with your B. इसको हम लोग ज्वाइन कर देंगे B से. Okay. Now what we have to do is divide the line segment. इस line segment को internally, मतलब अंदर एक कोई point होगा such that it will divide into 3:2 ratio. Okay. So we have made a line here. Now what is the next step we have to do? We have to make a line parallel to this. We have to make a line parallel to this such that the point where it will touch this line, it will become a point which will divide it into 3:2 ratio. Now how will make a line parallel to this A5B? So what I will do is, I will take some arc and make any angle here. I will take an arc and make an angle here. Let's say I have made this angle. Okay. Now since it is being 3:2 ratio, so I will take the same measurement of arc here in A3 point, and I will make the same angle here. Okay. Then you simply do the measurements. From here I will take the measurement of this angle, and simply I will put this mark here at this point where your arc is starting. It is not that you have to take A2 only. जहां से start हो रहा वहीं पे arc पे रखो, and then you cut a mark here. Okay. The point where it cut down, give a mark here. Now you just simply draw a line from A3, okay, because 3:2, A3 से ऐसे लाइन बनाना है पासिंग थ्रू दिस पॉइंट एंड इंटरसेक्ट इन दिस लाइन AB. So I will do the same thing. I will mark it here also, and I will join a line which will be passing through here, and the point, let's say this is X. So now AB has been divided in 3:2 ratio by this point X. Okay, so this is how a line segment of 8 centimeter has been divided internally in the ratio 3:2. That means 3:2 we can find the 8 centimeter can be divided in some parts, like if I want to find out the measurement of AX. Okay, see what is the measurement of AX? It is around 4.3. I am getting 4.3, and if I take the measurement of this one, it is coming 3.7. Now you can calculate 7 plus 3 10, carry 1 4 1 5 and 3 8. It is perfectly 8 centimeter. Now 8 centimeter has been divided in two parts in the ratio 3:2, and this is how we have completed one part, that is your division of a line segment in a ratio 3:2. If you want to justify it, then for justification, as we know, we have drawn A5B parallel to A3X, right? Now, when two lines are being parallel in a triangle, as we know, in a triangle, if a line is parallel to any side, then from the basic proportionality theorem, we know that these two parts are in the same ratio as like these two parts. From the basic proportionality theorem, we know that if a line is parallel to any side of the triangle, then that line divides the other two sides in the same ratio. That means this ratio and this ratio will be same, and that would be followed here also. If I take here this AX and XB, okay, and we have seen that we have taken this A to A5 into equal 5 parts, 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किए. लेट्स से यहां हमारा अगर x है, तो यहां से यहां भी हमारा क्या होगा, x होगा. यहां से यहां भी x होगा, यहां से यहां x होगा, यहां से यहां x होगा. और चूंकि A3x पैरेलल है A5B से, सो हम लोग क्या कह सकते हैं, AX by XB मस्ट बी इक्वल टू AA3 by A35. अब A3 क्या है, A से लेके A3, अगर ये यहां से यहां हम x मानते हैं, तो यहां से x कितने हो गए, 3x, राइट, बाय A35 से यहां भी x हो गया, यहां से यहां भी x हो गया, सो इट बिकम्स योर 2x. सो x कैंसिल, क्या आ गया, 3:2. और यही मांगा था हम लोग से, AX by XB का रेशियो क्या मांगा था, 3:2. लाइन सेगमेंट को डिवाइड करना था, तो देन वी गॉट 3:2 रेशियो. Clear? Okay. Let's take another question. Let's do another question, that is divide a line segment of 6 centimeter in 3:5 ratio internally. So what will be our first step? First step will be taking your 6 centimeter measurement of a line segment. So I will draw a 6 centimeter measurement. So this is my 6 centimeter measurement. Now the next step is we have to make an acute angle. So I will take an acute angle. Now next step is our to make arc. So how many arcs we have to draw? 3 plus 5, 8 parts. 8 parts of equal arc measurement we have to draw. So I will take from here 1. Next will be our 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 7 and last 8. So we have taken 8 measurements. So we can write the names A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7 and A8. Now what I will be doing? I will be joining A8 to this point. I will be joining from this point to A8. Okay. Now what I will be doing? I will be drawing an angle. Okay, I will be drawing an angle here, and with the same measurement I will be drawing a line parallel to this A8. Okay, such that it will become in 3:5 ratio. Okay, so let me take an arc of any measurement. Okay, I will draw an angle here. You have to be very cautious, and then from 3:5 it is saying, so at 3 I will draw the same angle. Okay, now I will take the measurement of this angle and I will cut it here at this point. So here I am getting a very smaller triangle. From this point to this point I will join, because it has been asked 3:5 ratio. So this will be my x. I can write here A, I can write here B. So AX is the smaller part because it is asked 3 part, and XB becomes the bigger part because it is 5 part. So this is how we have made the line segment of 6 centimeter, which is being divided by the point X internally in the ratio 3:5. And the justification would be as similar like the previous one. If I consider this part and this part, this will be our 3x, this will be our 5x. So AX by XB will be equal to 3x by 5x. That is because of the converse of the basic proportionality theorem, as this line is being parallel to this, and the ratio will get AX by XB equal to 3:5. Hope you have understood.